everybody, I hope everything is going well. So for today's makeup look, I have this eye makeup look for you guys. I do have a little bit of lip stain in my lips from the previous video that I was filming, and in case you are interested, you can see the tutorial of my oh my god and in case you're interested, you can see the tutorial for this skin look. I did apply a little bit of powder now because I did the tutorial for the glass skin look and I really like it, so I'm gonna put it here in the description box and also in the cards for you guys. So to begin this makeup look, I'm gonna use a eyeshadow base. Today I'm gonna apply the Soft Ochre Paint Spot by MAC. So I'm gonna apply a little bit using my clean finger all over the lid and blend really well just to stick the eyeshadows in the place, and I don't wanna create any harsh lines in this look. Oh my god, I'm doing a cut crease, so yes, I'm gonna do this harsh line right here. But first, I'm gonna just blend the eyeshadows in my crease. So I'm gonna apply a little bit this eyeshadow base. I try to remove my lipstick best as I can, but it's a very long-lasting lipstick. Alright, so now I'm gonna start applying the eyeshadows. Now, using a blending brush, I'm gonna apply the color Texture to be my transition shade. So I'm gonna blend it in my crease, in the outer corner, and a little bit in the lower lash line as well. This is the color Texture by MAC. I forgot to mention which is the brand, but that's okay. So now let's blend this shade. So I'm gonna start off placing this shade here in the outer corner and in my crease, in this little area, as you can see. Next, I'm gonna bring it down. When the eyeshadow is in front of you but you cannot find it, that's only me. Because here I have a lot of things in my front. Now, using the same brush, I'm gonna apply a darker brown eyeshadow, and this is also by MAC in the shade Expresso. So I'm gonna apply this shade in the outer corner of my eyes, and I'm gonna blend to my crease and also to my lower lash line. And when you finish to blend everything together, I did concentrate a lot of shadow here because I want to do a cut crease. So now I'm gonna just apply a concealer. I'm gonna use the same that I used for my skin today, but I just want to draw the design of the cut crease. So I'm gonna apply this concealer with a concealer brush, and this is by Too Faced in the shade Fair. It's a very light shade, so it makes easier to add the shadows on top, so it will create a very strong contrast in this makeup look. So now, right on top of this concealer, I'm gonna use the same brush for all the three shades that I'm gonna apply right here. And I also gonna use from MAC the shade Sable, this one in the outer corner. In between, I'm gonna use the shade All That Glitters, which is so beautiful. I love to use this shadow even alone. Just apply with my finger all over the lid, and that's it because it's amazing. It's just a little satin finish. It's so cute, and I love this color. And to highlight my tear duct area, I'm gonna use the color Dazzle Light. It's a very beautiful kind of white champagne shade, but with some pink reflects on it, but really a satin effect, not a shimmery or glittery effect. You know what I mean? You're gonna see in this tutorial. Okay, so this is the final result, but before I apply my fake lashes, I think I'm gonna apply a little bit of glitter on top of this beautiful shade, but I just want some reflects. I don't want to apply a lot of glitter, so I'm gonna use just the Reflects Gold by MAC. I'm gonna apply a little bit of product in the center. No, I'm gonna apply in the tear duct area, going to the center a little bit, but not covering the whole beautiful shades in my eyes. So I'm gonna, let me find my brush. So I'm gonna apply a little bit like this. Okay, I'm back, and as I did my skin before, I don't have anything to finish now. I'm gonna just apply the lipstick in my lips, and today I'm gonna use a dark brown shade. This is the shade Chariot by Melt Cosmetics. It's so beautiful, kinda different for me, but I'm gonna use this one today. Oh my god, this is stunning! So let's see what happens in this look. Oh, I love this color. And this is the final result. This lipstick is so beautiful. I love the Melt Cosmetics lipsticks in the bullet as well because they are so rich, they are so pigmented and look so beautiful. I don't have to apply a lot of times, and as you can see, this is completely even. The color is amazing and so beautiful. So that's it for this look, my lovies. I really love this look. Of course, if you want to, you can change the lipstick for a nude, for a red. Since this look is completely neutral, you can use whatever you want in your lipstick. So that's it. I really hope that you like it. I love this dark option. It's not my favorite, but today it is. And I really hope that you like this makeup look much as I do. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you later in the next tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you did. Bye!